Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Best Life and Beyond. We are in Palm Springs.
Yes, Palm Springs has finally reopened.
Yes.
And we are staying at the fabulous, colorful, insanely beautiful Saguaro Palm Springs.
Yeah.
We've wanted to come here for so long.
Yeah, we've always seen it. It's so colorful, as you can see behind us, as well as there's even more color than this. This is just like a teaser.
This is the tip of the iceberg.
Oh yeah, there's a lot more.
It's insane. The whole property is just decked out in this, incredible. They have another property in Arizona.
Yeah.
But we are here at the Palm Springs location, like we said.
Yeah.
We decided today we are going to go get breakfast.
Yeah.
Show you around the lobby and all of the property.
All the vibrance.
Yeah, we got here last night, so we're going to start off by showing you the room and giving you a nice tour so you can see just how awesome the rooms are.
Yeah.
But then definitely stay tuned because we're going to show you breakfast. We'll talk about all of their policies and procedures.
Yep.
If you want to come down here.
The amenities, the pools. The pool is
endless.
amazing. So first thing, like Katie said, we got here late last night, so room tour is first. Forgive us for the nighttime version, but I think it shows off the lighting in the room. Kind of cool. Okay, here is the main part of the room. Look at this. Binky's already comfortable. She's showing off the bed.
She looks pretty cute there, huh?
She does. King size with a yellow backboard.
Purple carpet, by the way.
Purple carpet. You like that, don't you?
I love that.
It's very royal. It's very...
It's so bold and vibrant.
Purple gold is also Laker colors, yes. That's Binky's bowl. It kind of matches the resort, actually. Here's the little table. I like this. Just enough. Modest, but stylish at the same time. Fitting the whole style of art direction here. Along with that lamp. Look how cool that lamp is. It's almost tiki. And then we've got some modern art on the wall, which I always like. And this cool piece of art, it's a cactus. It's a plexiglass cactus. That is pretty cool. And then looking back at the bed, the lighting on the bedboard is really cool. Real simple. These little hanging lights. And then the nightstand has a Viewmaster, you guys. If you don't know what a Viewmaster is, this is a Viewmaster. So it says view for free, take for 25 bucks. So you could take this as a souvenir, and it's got some pictures of, I think of, you said the Cabazon dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs and a couple of other cool things.
Here's just one side, and they give you two views. They called it stereo, and it gives it like a 3D look when you actually look through both lenses. But I'm not sure what that one is. There's another one. Oh, that's the aerial tramway, Palm Springs.
Oh, heck no.
But anyways, you get the idea. So it's kind of a souvenir Palm Springs Viewmaster.
That's so cool.
These are cool. We have some old ones of these from the 50s that my mom saved from growing up, and they're like metal and like heavy. It's crazy.
Mine was like that. It was plastic.
Yeah, I had plastic ones too. Yeah. Another cool thing about the nightstand, look, it's got USBs and a power plug, and something that you normally wouldn't think would, look how simple that thing is, and they've installed that. Smart. There's the robes, the in-room robes, and they say pool with an arrow. If you look close, pool spelled out with an arrow, but actually the pool is that way, but you get the idea. And notice the difference in color in the waistband. Light blue maybe is Katie, and I'm dark blue. I don't know. We'll have to just determine. And it says here permanent vacation. Kind of like that idea. J. Adams, Dogtown. Permanent summer vacation. So you can take this with you for 85 bucks, which is that's not bad, because usually they're 100, and these are heavy duty. Like, these are legit. Like, I would pay 85 bucks for one of these. It's not like these are cheap,
No, those are really nice. Jeez.
So are you dark blue or light blue?
Dark blue.
Dang.
Royal blue is my color.
Okay. And then in the hallway, there's this cool, little bench that you can sit on or put luggage on or something. And let's step outside on our balcony. Let's see what we got. Oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. Is that crazy or what? And look at the palm trees. So that's our night view. And now it's morning. It's about 7 o'clock, 7 a.m. Pool opens at 8. We're gonna go eat some breakfast and check out the rest of the resort.
So it is already 80 degrees this morning.
Yeah.
So that means you need to wake up at about 6 or 7 a.m. here in the desert.
This
Get your
time
stuff
of year,
done,
yeah.
and then kind of hide during midday.
You got to do kind of golf hours. Like golfers,
Yeah.
desert golf, you wake up early and you're done by 10 or 11. But yeah, it was so nice, the sunrise this morning. Maybe we'll shoot the sunrise tomorrow, but you could see obviously how nice it was just in the backyard, as I'm calling it.
And our view looking over the mountains is fabulous with the
stunning.
pool. I can't wait to show you guys the rest of this property, but first we need to get some breakfast. Let's go.
Oh yeah. Okay, we're gonna go in through the very front of the hotel, the main entrance, through the big yellow door here. And we're greeted with a requirement sign, mask required in public spaces. All right, look at this lobby, amazing. Oh my gosh. You immediately walk in and you're greeted by the ping pong table, the lime green ping pong table, and then there's the bikes that come with the rooms. I think it's, you just rent them for the day, you gotta bring them back by sunset, I believe. Just such a beautiful, colorful lobby, look at this. Oh my gosh. It reminds me of margaritas. Limes and margaritas. It's pretty nice, right? Even the distance markers are colorful, look. Look at this case. It's all the little rooms with it's like Barbie's kind of modeling all the room situations. Look at, there's Katie brushing up on her notes for the next vlog. And there's Binky patiently waiting. She should be up on the bed. Normally she'd be up on the bed. And there's me, I'm the little troll over there. Banished to that side of the room. Looks like a pool party here. All the cool kids are hanging out. The pink room looks like they're celebrating maybe, I don't know what they're celebrating, but they are celebrating maybe New Year's. I don't know. This must be the spa. There's Katie. They've got some amazing merch, look. Might have to get something, sweatpants. Oh, they got a tie-dye shirt too. Oh, I like that one right there. They've even got soap and then a jumbo fanny pack. Look at that. The pool is that way. And get a load of the front desk. It's just beautiful. It's just stunning. All oranges and yellows. All right, we're going to El Jefe. El Jefe for breakfast.
Nice and cool here.
Yeah. What a great view, looking straight out. There's a nice little patio that sits out here. All right, so there's the QR code for the breakfast menu at El Jefe. Look at that. Get your phones out, get your app open if you don't have the proper phone. And there it is, that's what it looks like.
Yeah, I mean, I zoomed
Ooh,
in.
look at that, I like that font, look at that.
Oh yeah, and then the lunch is the same thing,
Man,
kind
the
of.
art direction all around.
No, it's fantastic. Like, look around how nice this is. Everything's spaced out really nicely.
It really is.
It's great.
Okay, this amazing food has arrived. We both got avocado toast.
Yep.
And it looks incredible. Look at just the presentation alone. Makes me very hungry, as if I wasn't already. I mean, look at that, the color. You know what, it reminds me of the colors of the hotel. Like
Yeah.
the purples and the greens.
Very vibrant.
And you know, all the colors here represent natural colors in the desert. Yeah.
I love that.
And then there's our eggs.
Yeah, you can add an egg for $4, which we did for protein.
Yep.
Binky got some bacon.
Look at her, she's like, yep.
See, you want
Excuse
some
me?
bacon?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't mind if I do.
That's the good stuff.
Right.
When you're done, tell me how that avocado toast is.
That's incredible.
And the eggs are really good too.
Perfectly.
Amazing. It's really cool. As I'm looking at this QR code card, I guess you would call it.
QR card?
QR card. If you look at the bottom, there's a guy with a sombrero taking a little siesta by a cactus, and it reminded me so much. This image, which is one of many images of, this is freight train hobo art done with a grease pencil or a grease pen on the side of a freight train. And this is called Herbie. This guy does, that's the image that he does. And there's a lot of different, you know, guys doing this and gals doing this. And, you know, they have kind of repeating images. That's Herbie's image right there. And it just reminded me so much of
The random
this
facts
guy.
that you know, I swear, we're sitting here, no joke, we're sitting here like finishing up our breakfast, and he's on his phone like furiously, and I'm just like, what are you doing? And he's like, and something about grease pens and freight trains, and I'm like, what are you talking about? And he pulls up all these images, and I'm like, you're insane.
Yeah.
In a good way though. Like,
Nah,
yeah,
I have a lot of
you're
useless
crazy.
information. Some would say useful, but
I think it's useful. I think
Right?
it's really cool, but it blows my mind though sometimes how you could see one little image of something.
well, I mean, look at him and look at him. They're very similar.
No, it's
That's
definitely
why.
the style, and you know, there's a lot of like artist collaborations around this resort.
That's true.
So it's like you're. This is a great place for you because there's all kinds of things that just it's just I think it's the difference between somebody's like art-sided brain.
Sure.
Like you look at like a little doodle like that. I would have never thought anything of that.
And I think
anything at all.
Well, for me, it's all in the details, and that's also my love for Disneyland is in the details and those little things.
Right.
So that's, I think, why I notice stuff like that. So something we wanted to point out that we're noticing in a lot of places, and we've heard it's, you know, pretty prevalent, is the 2% charge, the surcharge.
For the C-19?
For the C-19 and the additional health and safety measures that go into trying to accommodate guests. The 2% does not go to the staff. So what we're trying to express to everybody is that make sure you're still gracious with your tips, because the 2% is probably going into like printing out all this kind of stuff.
Well, yeah, like you can't even do a salt and pepper shaker. You
Right.
need to do that. It's like you saw when we went to Vegas. Things are just not the same. And again, they're running at a smaller capacity. Like
That as well.
they, you know, say you have a restaurant that, you know, holds 50 tables, you can only fill those usually about half right now. So
and it comes down to math. If you've seen those shows, even like Bar Rescue, and you know that, like, you know, what they're trying to cover costs and overhead and per table, what they're making has to be a certain amount minimum just to cover costs.
Well, and how many of these staff are like getting the hours that they want or even able to?
Correct.
So you have to really think of like the big picture, and we just want to encourage you that you know, there's a lot of places that they'll remove it if you ask to take the 2%, 5%, whatever it may be. They'll ask. You can ask to remove it, and they will.
Right.
But we just want to encourage you.
If you can.
If you can.
If you're able to, you know, it helps support the situation.
Pay it, and you know, if you can too, like make sure to be generous with your tips for these workers. Like I can't.
Yeah, because if you've ever been in the service industry, or if you know someone who is, it's not easy even before this.
Definitely think of that, and we just want to encourage you guys and explain that while you're eating. Like this is what it's going into. And it's
Yes. Following the neon signage. Katie knows she's going towards the pool. I see daylight through this Mandarin hallway. I love all the little areas. Look at this little chill spot. And these are the fire pits that I heard about. And look at the old lawn chairs. It's so cool. So there's two jacuzzi spas, kind of a flower shape, and then there's one on the opposing side, on the other side of the pool over there. We'll be checking out the pool in a minute. We'll actually be going in, but I just wanted to show you guys back here. On the other side of the pool, there's another area with hammocks, and I think bocce ball. Would this be bocce ball? I'm not totally familiar. A couple more little lounge spots over here. Look at that red background. Is that just, it's incredible. The colors around here. And then we've got, looks like we've got a giant Jenga. Little midnight Jenga last night somebody lost. Look at how cool it is. They just kind of made it themselves. It's just 2x4s painted. What a cool home project to make your own giant Jenga. And as we were saying, they're dog friendly. They've got the waste station for the furry friends. Here come the ladies. Look at this yellow color up there. Oh my gosh, this is so incredible.
It's so pretty. So this is the doggy area, and then look at the cool hammocks.
Yeah, I was just showing the hammocks. Here we go. Woo!
Oh my gosh.
Whoa!
Don't hit
Whoa!
Mickey.
Whoa! Woo. Look at your hammocks way lower.
Well, yeah, some are higher and some are lower.
All right, headed back to the room for a minute. So can we show them the key?
Oh yeah.
Look how cool the card key is. The color, it's like,
It's fantastic.
and again, the little details that matter to me. If it was a regular key, I probably wouldn't notice, but now that you did that,
Well, it's just like these are all different colors. Just like literally, if you did a 360, we're just surrounded in color.
yeah.
Gorgeous.
All right, headed back through Rainbow Land. I mean, look at this. It's just on our way up. Just wanted to show you guys Pinky's fan.
Yeah, we also put an ice pack under her.
Yeah, she's ready for heat.
She is, and she's doing good. She hasn't started panting or anything.
So I'm following you because there's a sign that says pool with an arrow. So I'm hoping that you're leading me the right way and you're not just leading me out to Palm Canyon Drive.
I have to leave you there. That's the idea. There's so many hummingbirds. I love it. I love the hummers.
Me too. Oh, look, there's one. See him?
Yeah. Good. Oh my gosh. The water's so much cooler, but like not overly cold. Like it feels just perfect. Perfectly refreshing. Are you gonna get in?
Yeah, coming in.
Keep my sun hat on you.
Oh, foot 5? Boom. That was a foot 10.
All right, now bye, Felicia.
Oh, wow. Well, hello.
Hi.
Brings you to this neck of the woods,
Well,
neck of the wape. All right, well, that wraps it up.
It was a very long,
It was a very long day. It's nighttime, and
yeah, we went after the pool and
Yeah.
we recorded another video. So
Yeah.
you'll see that tomorrow. And we had dinner, relaxed, ate, started editing, and
Yeah.
now it is time for bed.
Oh, yeah.
We hope you guys continue to watch the rest of the series. We're going to be here for a few more days, and we have so many more fun things planned.
Oh, yeah, we do.
That I'm excited to share with you. If you enjoyed this video and you do want to see more, let us know by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel.
That's right, and we'll see you next time on Best Life and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody.